Buddy, hopefully you all are staying safe. And want to talk about Google reviews. Many of you are worried that your reviews aren't getting published in the last few weeks because Google basically stopped any reviews from being published. And as of today, finally it started opening it up. So new reviews are starting to get posted. That's what we've been seeing. And how about those that were submitted, those Google reviews that were submitted during this quarantine period, right? Those we're starting to see they're getting slowly getting published. So hopefully all those reviews that weren't getting posted in the last few weeks, slowly they will be posted. Hopefully they weren't gone. But the new ones that we've been seeing is the new ones. They're starting to get posted. But Google is still a little bit careful, right? Google just changed its messaging here. Is thank you for your patience. We're working as quickly as possible to restore full functionality to Google My Business, right? And review replies are not available. So if you're replying to some of these whether positive negative reviews publicly, now they're starting to get published, or they will be published for sure. But and new user reviews, new user photos, new short names, and Q&A will gradually return by country and business category. But what we're being seen is almost is back to full functionality with reviews, Q&A, replies. So that's good to see.